It's been very cold the last few days. Last night was down to only a singular degree. And so now, of course, we have the condensation problem again. And I just noticed something was wet over here, so it's definitely leaking. So let's take a closer look at this and see what's going on. This is the first time it's leaked since I had put the bowl in place. Unfortunately, it's totally dry. So I think part of the problem here is that in the winter time it condensates on the outside of the pipe, because, let me think about this for a minute. If the cold air is running through the inside, it's going to make it, the condensation, would appear on the outside. And in the summer, the warm air runs through the pipe with the cold on the outside, so then it condensates on the inside. And so in the summer, the condensation primarily pours out that little hole I drilled and into this contraption. This is not going to help us in the winter. So for the next couple of days, while it's still very, very cold, I'm going to have to go back to putting my towel over all the testing equipment. I just had these bags were sitting here like that, and I just noticed that there's been a couple of drops of water, nothing major. I'll just wipe that up and it's fine, but it's leaking once again.